Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change your fuse in your Fluke 87. Also, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot to see if which fuse is bad. Obviously, if you're using it and it doesn't work, you're probably knowing one of the fuses is bad, but this is a way to test it. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to test it and also show you how to replace the fuse. So when you turn it on, if you turn it to resistance or any of these settings, if you turn it to any of these settings other than what this is used for, this meter will beep if you have the leads in the wrong space, if your fuse is good. So say I turned it to voltage and these are the correct leads. If I put it into here, it doesn't do anything. It should beep. What? This fuse I know is good. Lead. That fuse I know is bad. Another way I can test it, take that lead out. I can actually test the resistance between here. These share the same common, so you've got 0.1 ohm. On this one, you've got 0.1. This one shows a OL, which tells me the fuse is blown. Okay, let me show you how to change the fuse. Let's pull this cover off. It's got a rubber cover on here. You've got two flat blade screws right here to take the battery out. You got a 9-volt battery. Now you've got one Phillips screw there and two inside the battery compartment. If you push that, pull it apart, it'll open up. There's the meter. There's my current fuse, and there's my milliamp fuse. I'm going to pull this fuse out. And if you notice, that fuse is 44 1/100ths of an amp. I actually have another meter here. Here's that fuse. See, it's bad. Here's the new fuse, 44 1/100ths of an amp. Okay. Now, take the new fuse, put it right in there. There's your buttons. This all just comes out, that sits in there. Make sure your cable isn't going to get pinched. Put that back together. Three Phillips screws. Put your 9-volt battery back in. Battery tray. Flat blade. Quarter turn. Okay, let's see where we're at with this now. Get our lead. If we turn it on voltage, it should be on current if we're doing these. So now this should beep. Okay, let's turn it to ohms. Now this fuse is quite a bit smaller, so the resistance is going to be different on this fuse. Common, 0.1 ohms. 0.1 ohms on the 10 amp fuse. The 400 milliamp fuse, you got 1,000 ohms. But before we had an open line, now we've got 1,000. So super easy to change this fuse. Maybe 5-10 minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching.